What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Refs. The Husqvarna TC 300 has already built a reputation as one of the wildest motocross bikes on the planet. And for 2027, Husqvarna didn't completely reinvent the bike, they refined it. This is the new 2027 Husqvarna TC 300, a fuel-injected two-stroke monster producing around 57 horsepower while weighing under 100 kilograms. And yes, many riders still say it feels faster than some 454 strokes. So what's actually new for 2027? First, the styling. Husqvarna updated the motocross lineup with a cleaner factory-inspired design. The TC300 now gets a white powder-coated frame, updated graphics, and sharper bodywork that gives the bike a more premium and aggressive look. But the biggest upgrades are underneath the plastics. The 293 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine continues to use a Keihin EFI system with Vitesco engine management, delivering smoother fueling and sharper throttle response compared to traditional carbureted two-strokes. And despite the smoother response, this thing is still absolutely brutal when you open the throttle. One of the most interesting features is the electronic exhaust control system. Instead of using a traditional mechanical setup, Husqvarna uses an electronically controlled system to manage power delivery more precisely. That means stronger low-end torque, smoother mid-range power, and still the explosive top-end hit that makes big two-strokes so addictive to ride. And honestly, this is what makes the TC300 feel like a modern motocross weapon rather than just an old-school smoke machine. Then there's the power-to-weight ratio. At only 99.6 kilograms and around 57 horsepower, the numbers are insane. This thing delivers lightweight agility with massive acceleration, which explains why so many riders say it feels more aggressive than a 450. Handling is another big part of the package. The TC300 uses a chromium molybdenum steel frame combined with WP XACT suspension front and rear for aggressive cornering, jump stability, and precise control on rough tracks. You also get modern features like electric start, dual engine maps, Brembo hydraulics, a Pankel racing gearbox, and a lightweight lithium-ion battery. So while the 2027 TC300 still delivers pure two-stroke madness, it's now more refined, more advanced, and even more race-focused than before. And honestly, the two-stroke era is far from dead.